In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract and reconcile a trial balance in QuickBooks Desktop. This is a useful process when you want to review your books, prepare for reporting, or make sure your balances are aligned with your supporting records. The goal here is first to pull up the trial balance report, and then to confirm that the balances in key accounts are properly reconciled against your external statements. Start by opening QuickBooks Desktop and going to the Reports menu. From there, select Accountant and Taxes and then choose Trial Balance. This report gives you a summary of your account balances, typically showing debits and credits across your chart of accounts. It's a helpful snapshot of the general ledger and can quickly show you whether your books appear balanced overall. Once the report is open, adjust the date range to All. This is important because it allows you to view cumulative balances rather than limiting the report to a specific period. If you leave a restricted date range in place, you may not see the full balance for each account, which can lead to confusion when comparing your books to outside records. Setting the report to All makes sure you're looking at the complete picture. After extracting the trial balance, the next part is reconciliation. For this, focus especially on your asset, liability, and equity accounts. These are the accounts that often need to match external statements or supporting documents. The idea is to confirm that the balances in QuickBooks agree with what appears outside the system, such as bank records or other financial statements you rely on for verification. To begin the reconciliation process, go to the Banking menu and select Reconcile. In the Reconcile window, choose the appropriate account you want to verify. Carefully compare the transactions and balances in QuickBooks against the corresponding external statement. As you work through each item, make sure the ending balance and cleared transactions line up correctly. One of the most important things to check during this step is the ending difference. A successful reconciliation should show an ending difference of 0.00. That zero confirms that the account in QuickBooks matches the external statement for the period you're reconciling. If the difference is not zero, pause and review the transactions, dates and amounts to identify where the mismatch is coming from before finalizing. Once you've repeated this for the relevant asset, liability and equity accounts, you'll have both an extracted trial balance and reconciled balances you can rely on. This helps improve accuracy, supports cleaner financial reporting, and gives you more confidence in your accounting records.